Hello, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca with the Equity Management Academy Weekend Podcast for July 29, 2021. Bitcoin, the answer to a new world currency. Summary. It is frustrating that the metals markets does not react as we expect fundamentally, which right now points to rising prices. The money appears to have gone into digitized assets such as Bitcoin. Bitcoin appears to be becoming a competitive asset with gold as a major alternative asset to fiat currencies such as the US dollar. The Fed tapering and market tantrums. Wednesday, July 28, 2021, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We will probably have a choppy day today based on what the Fed is going to do in relation to interest rates. The markets appear to expect that interest rates are going to move up or that the Fed is going to announce some sort of tapering. Our feeling is that the Fed is going to do nothing. They will probably tone down the tapering rhetoric. Last time they met, the markets reacted extremely bearishly to news of possibly tapering sooner than later. There was a massive correction in precious metals. It caught the market by surprise. Unless something definite is announced, the markets will probably regain all of that lost in that correction and make new highs. We could reinflate commodities, given pressure from weather, logistics, transportation, and demand is impressive as we move back into a more normal economy. Coffee has already doubled in price and grains are roaring up. In general, we are seeing a strong reversion to an inflationary cycle. Chairman Powell was able last time to talk the market down. It eliminated a lot of speculation out of the markets. It was a perfect buying opportunity for traders seeking to build or add to their position. It is frustrating that the metals markets does not react as we expect fundamentally, which right now points to rising prices. Demand is rising and supplies are limited. Most assets should be rising fast. The money appears to have gone into digitized assets such as Bitcoin. The government has no control over such digital assets. Bitcoin appears to be becoming a competitive asset with gold as a major alternative asset to fiat currencies such as the US dollar. Bitcoin appears to be gaining momentum, with more money entering that sector. As the government continues to print more money, the dollar continues to lose its value. Since last March, the Fed has been printing money with wild abandon, which has decreased the value of the US dollar and increased the value of other assets, such as real estate stocks and even Rolexes, are rising fast in price, which is priced in US dollars. If the currency is being debased, unless you are protected, your assets are going to decline in value and intrinsic value, even in the price in US dollars appears to be going up and up. We're talking about monetary inflation of the underlying currency. Many assets appear to be going up in value, but they are really going up only because they are priced in the currency that is rapidly losing value. If Bitcoin becomes valued in crude oil, as an example, like the US dollar, then it may become accepted as the new world's reserve currency, replacing the petrodollar. Governments are already talking about regulating cryptocurrencies, which highlights the public desire for such investments. The government would not need to regulate cryptocurrency if one was interested in them. More companies are moving into cryptocurrencies and beginning to accept payment in such currencies. The US government may want to devalue the US dollar so that the debt in those dollars shrink or even goes away. Then the US can move over to cryptocurrency that is a new and has no debt tied to it. There is nothing to protect the US dollar from losing all of its value. No gold, no silver, nothing. we may be moving toward the end of fiat currencies. Bitcoin has the liquidity and volatility which are perfect for a trader. Bitcoin offers an opportunity to hedge against the US dollar as it declines, and it makes some nice profits. Given the daily volatility of Bitcoin, it's an exciting time as we see the transformation of the monetary system. Disclosure. We have a beneficial long position in the shares of GBTC, either through stock ownership, options, or other derivatives. Thank you for listening. If you want to learn more about what we do, please go to the Equity Management Academy, EMA2trade.com, or listen to any of our previous episodes.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, VCPMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VCPMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VCPMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VCPMI algorithm. The VCPMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VCPMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VCPMI? The VCPMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VCPMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VCPMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.